Hi guys, welcome back to another unboxing here at LetsTalkTech. Today we are unboxing the ZamZam ZM005s. Now I've got to be honest, I was really excited about these headphones, having road tested the ZM002s and the 004s, which as you will see from my previous videos I absolutely loved. So these headphones are ZamZam's premium offering. Unlike the 002s and the 004s, these ones are a little bit more expensive, but you'll see here from the packaging alone, they certainly look a lot more premium. Now I've got to say, I did find the 002s and the 004s to be a really premium product for the price point. These guys are producing headphones that I've been absolutely blown away with. So you see here, the packaging for this is fantastic. When you open up the box, you are met with this fantastic looking carry case. It's very sturdy, it's solid. If this was to get bashed, your headphones would be absolutely safe and sound. And you can really already see the difference in the quality, just in terms of the packaging, between this and both the 002s and the 004s. Now when we open these up, the first thing you'll see is just how good these headphones look. They have the ZamZam branding as per all the ZamZam headphones, but yeah, they're packaged really well and they look really premium. Now I'm using that word premium a lot just now with the ZamZam products, and that's purely because for the price that you're paying for these headphones, they are absolutely fantastic. Not only do you get headphones that look premium, but they sound premium as well. So with these headphones, along with the case, you also get your splitter, your audio cable, and you also get your micro USB cable to charge the headphones with as well. Once fully charged, you should get upwards of around 12 hours of playtime with these headphones, which again is absolutely fantastic, particularly for the price point. Now out of the packaging you'll see they look fantastic. I absolutely love the silver and tan colours, I think they look fantastic. However, you can also get these headphones in black as well, but as you can see, these really look fantastic. As you've probably noticed, the channel itself has been actually fairly quiet for the past couple of weeks. I have had a little bit of an illness, and during that time I've had these ZM005s and really kind of put them to the test, and I've got to say they are fantastic. You'll see here it has active noise cancellation. Now I've owned headphones in the past that have had this, however I found that a lot of these manufacturers put it in as a gimmick and it doesn't really work. I've got to say with these particular headphones it works fantastically well. Now I own a pair of Bose Quiet Comfort 35s which also boast active noise cancellation, and I've got to say my Bose cost me over £300, and in terms of the noise cancellation it is equally as good in these ZM005s. Now over the coming week I will be doing a comparison video between these ZM005s and the Bose Quiet Comfort 35s, so keep an eye out on the channel for that video. But I can tell you off the bat some of the things that I really like about these ZM005s in comparison to the Bose. Firstly, the build quality. The build quality is excellent. Side by side with my Bose, I would say there is absolutely no difference whatsoever in the build quality. These are also one of the most comfortable headphones that I've ever worn. Again, I would say there is absolutely no difference in comfort between these and the Quiet Comfort 35s. And most importantly, sound quality. The sound quality on these headphones is absolutely amazing. Again, if I sit these side by side with my Quiet Comfort 35s, I would say there is little to no difference whatsoever in the sound quality. Yet my Bose cost me over £300, and these ZamZam ZM005s cost £60. Now, that wasn't a mistake, I said £60. These are an absolute bargain for the quality that you're getting. Now, I'll put a link to the product below in the description. Also, if you have any questions about these, feel free to pop any questions in the comments. Now, over the past few weeks, I've reviewed the 002s, the 004s, and now the 005s. I just want to say a big thank you to everyone that's taken the time so far to watch those videos. Both have now had a combined total of over 10,000 views, which is absolutely fantastic. So a big thanks to you guys, as always, for supporting the channel and supporting the really cool products that we've been reviewing recently. Now, as we come to the end of this video, I just wanted to put the ZamZam products together. I will be doing a side-by-side comparison of all these ZamZam products over the next week, so do stay tuned for those. But I just wanted you to see the difference between the ZM005s and the other ZamZam headphones. So you'll see in terms of the cup, the build quality, the materials, the ZM005s are incredibly premium and a fantastic addition to the ZamZam headphone range. Lastly, I just want to say thanks to ZamZam for sending me on these headphones. Say thank you to you guys for watching the videos. Please do hit that like button, please do hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned to the channel. We will be unboxing ZamZam's first in-ear headphones very soon. So yeah, this has been Scott at Let's Talk Tech. Please do come back.